Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to unarchive WhatsApp chats. Unarchiving a chat in WhatsApp helps bring hidden conversations back to your main chat list. Here is how you can do it. Open up the WhatsApp application on your device and from your home page, make sure you are inside the chat screen. Now, go to the top of the screen and you will see Archived option. Simply tap on that. And you will then be able to see all of the archived chats listed. Browse through the archive list to locate the conversation and then swipe left on the conversation and tap on Unarchive. Repeat this step for every other conversations you'd like to unarchive and the chat will now appear in your main chat list. So that's how you can easily unarchive your WhatsApp chats. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.